Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to unpair Apple Watch Series 10 from your iPhone. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the Watch app on your iPhone and here go into All Watches section. Now, in front of your smartwatch that you would like to unpair, tap at the eye or information icon. Here scroll down and tap at the Unpair Apple Watch. Then, once again, press the Unpair Apple Watch option. Here input your Apple ID password, which I will quickly do off camera. And once the password is entered, press Unpair option to your top right once again. And as you can see, the unpairing process is successfully underway, so now all that is left to do for you is to wait for it to be finished. So as you can see, both, my iPhone and Apple Watch were successfully unpaired. At least on the iPhone side, the Apple Watch still shows the loading screen. So let's actually wait for it to be unpaired entirely. So we will actually have an access to an Apple Watch. So as you can see, the Apple Watch the Apple Watch has also finished its unpairing steps, which means that the deed is done. So thanks for watching and bye bye.